up, my YT homies? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Alethea, for those of you that are new here, and I do appreciate you coming to check out a video here on my little old channel. So without further ado, this video is a 14-month lock update. So if you're interested in hearing about where I'm at this point in my lock journey, then please continue to watch. So guys, you ladies, you gentlemen, everybody, I did not realize until just about a minute ago. When I say a minute ago, I mean literally a minute ago. I looked at my phone to see what today's date is, and it is August the 8th, which makes 14 months since I've been locked. I got my Sisterlocks established on June 8th and 9th of 2019. So I am 14 months in at this time. And also, if you're new here, I did get my Sisterlocks established by a certified Sisterlocks ambassador. However, I maintain my Sisterlocks on my own at this point. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get into the 360 before and the 360 as to where I'm at now. And then we'll chat a little bit.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night, just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night, it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight.
All right, so now that that is out of the way, I can move my hair. Hopefully it'll stay. I can move my hair to my center part. Because if you know me, you know I like the, not the center part, but the side part. Because if you know me, you know I like the side part better than the center part. But anyway, so yeah, so here we are. That's my jam. Now that's my girl. That's how I like it. So as I said, I am 14 months into my lock journey, my Sisterlock journey. And I am still loving this journey just as much now as I did in the past. Since when I got them, I do not have any regrets when it comes to my hair. As far as getting Sisterlocks established, are there some other things that I would change if I could? Yes, but this is not the video for it or about that. So with that being said though, my hair, as far as whether or not I have locks that are maturing at this time, I finally have some that have some budding in them, and every time I try to show y'all, point out something, I cannot find the lock. I don't have a lot of them, but believe it or not, the ones that do have the little bit of budding are some that I did combine, because I don't know, it's almost like because they are bigger, they are starting to mature some. Because let me come in closer, let me pull this in closer and just show you into my hair, and you all can see that I don't have, like, my locks are not, you can still see the pattern in my hair. If you know what you're looking for, I'll put it that way. You can see the pattern. And I do have, let's see. Okay, here's one. So this lock right here, can you see that? This lock right here has some maturity, has some budding on it, and it's you can still see the pattern in it, don't get me wrong, but it has some budding on it. So like I said, there are a couple more besides that one. I just don't want to take too long in this video trying to find the ones that do have budding. I also still do have these right here that are razor thin, that are thin as heck. And due to that, and I just don't like that, I think that lock is just too thin. It's not doing anything, but due to that, I am going to go in and combine some more. As you all know, the last time I combined, I came back and I told you guys that my count was 413. And according to the, why does my necklace keep turning? But according to the Sisterlock brand, in order to have Sisterlocks, you have to have a minimum of 400 locks, which when I do combine some, I mean, I know I'm going to combine more than 13 locks. At least that's my plan. I will be in the number that's less than 400. I've heard some people say that 300 counts as Sisterlocks and some people say 400. I don't know. I didn't go to the training, so I don't know all the technicalities. Don't really care at this point. All I care about is my hair being the way that I want my hair to be. So with that being said, like I said, I am going to combine some. Now what I do when I combine them, just in case for your information, I just take 2 locks and I twist them together. Like here, this one is combined. I just take 2 locks, and you see it's still small, but it's combined. But I just take 2 locks and I twist them to get together, and then I interlock them. So before it's time for me to do my next interlocking, I'm going to twist them together so that they'll be ready for the interlock. But now, mind you, they will come loose at the end. So what I have to do when I get to the end, and that's the good thing about still having loose ends, is I take my hair and I wet it and I split the loose end part, and then I make a little plait. I'll plait like 3 or 4 rotations, and then that way the hair will not unravel on me. That's pretty much how I do that. Now as far as my growth, y'all see it. Y'all see it. I ain't even gotta tell y'all. Y'all see it. Y'all better get into it. Get into it. Get into it. Yes, the growth is there. And my hair, somebody may ask me, and I think somebody did ask me, do I think my hair is growing faster now that I'm doing my hair myself? I don't know. I mean, that's just some technicalities that I'm not going to per se get into because I don't know. But it's growing nonetheless, and I am very proud of the fact that I'm able to retain length with these locks. Now my edges, they're not laid today, Nappylicious. They're not laid. I have not put anything on my edges. Usually when I do a middle part, I don't lay my edges, but it's okay. So my edges are fine. They're thin, y'all know, and it's not because of my Sisterlocks. It was before my Sisterlocks, so it has nothing to do with the Sisterlocks, and it's fine and thin over here. That's just my hair is going to be that way. Oh, and here I did comb a lock out, and I won't be doing that again. I don't know how people are able to maintain their hair and combing a lock out, because so much shed hair came from it. So if there ever was a point to where I decided I did not want the locks, I would just cut it down to my new growth and be done with it, because this lock was much longer until I cut it out. See, not cut it out, until I combed it out. And I combed the lock out because I shouldn't have combed it out. Let's just say that. But the way I was looking at my head, I thought I had messed up my middle part. And the one thing I don't want, I don't care about any other parts, but my middle part, while I'm not a person that wears my hair in the middle part all the time, and a side part is my favorite, I want my middle part intact. And so I thought I had messed up my middle part, and I combed it out, and then I realized I didn't mess up my middle part. I just had my hair kind of not split down the middle the right way. So anyway, nonetheless, that was my fault. So, like I said, so I mean, I think I'm all over the place in this video. I don't know, but basically to sum this up, I'm still loving my lock journey. I'm still loving where I'm at. I am going to combine some more locks. I do see some maturing and some budding in some of the locks that I have combined, but the ones that I did not combine, I don't see anything. And then in some of the other ones that I combined, I don't see anything. So I'm still not 100% fully locked, but it is what it is, and it's okay. because it will happen. And I'm not rushing my hair. My hair will do what it has to do on its own. It's just like they say with any type of locks. You have to trust the process, and I'm trusting the process when it comes to my hair. And I'm letting my hair do her thing. She needs a name. I've never named my hair, but yeah. Like Tabitha. Well, not just Tabitha. Let me not just say Tabitha. I know Tabitha always says her hair's name is Donna. Not just Tabitha. I've seen a lot of people that name their hair. So I'm just not going to say her. There are a lot of people that name their hair. So I just need to find out what type of foxy name to give my baby. Because she needs a foxy name. Because she's foxy. But anyway, let me go ahead and get up out of here because I'm talking and I'm just talking about a lot of nothing. So that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for coming to check out another video here on my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really would appreciate it. And don't just hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button and come back and watch some videos. Come back and show your support. And while you're here, go ahead and like, comment, and share this video across all your social media sites. I thank you so much for coming, and so until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye!